In this module, you will learn how to create a custom project plan template. Christina, we do a lot of similar projects. We build homes. So how would I be able to save this style so I could use it again in the future?
All right, so probably what you want to do is save it as a template, and you might want to export specific information so that you can use it over and over again. You're always going to have to sign contracts, right? You will always have to clear probably the old home. So let's go in and take a look at what our options are. If you come to File and down to Export, we will save this project as a file. Now what we're going to do here is we want to save this as a project template, and notice that we have a couple of options here. We can save this as just a regular project template or a previous version. So we'll save it as just a project default template format. And then come down and choose Save As. Now, what that does is that will change our Save As type. Now, typically, if we're just saving a project, it's going to be a .mpp or just a project 2007 or higher format. But because we chose that little section on project template, we have a little bit different option. And what that will do is it will give us that when we go and open up a new file. I'll show you that in just a minute. All right, so let's go ahead and change this, and we're going to name this Home Building Project Plan. All right, and we'll come down and choose Save. Now, when you save it as a template, you have different things that you can remove from the template so that when you open it up as a template, it won't have that in there. What we'll do is we do not want the baselines in there because you're going to have new baselines. You're going to put new dates in there. So let's go ahead and take that out. We'll leave the resource rates so that you can use those again, and you can just delete out whatever you don't use. We'll leave our fixed cost in there, and we'll leave our actual values in there so that we can compare. Let's go ahead and choose Save. Now that we have exported that information and saved it as a template, let's say that you're done with this project and now a new house project comes up. So what you could do is you could go to Open and browse to where that particular file is located. We actually had it right here. And then you can start from that point and not reinvent the wheel every time.
Sounds great. A project plan template is a special type of project plan file that you can use to create new projects with default data and other elements already defined. You can create your own project plan templates by saving a project file as a template.